Wow, did the sun just make me sneeze?
No, I'm not allergic to sunshine.
I might just have the infamous photic sneeze reflex, aka ACHOO syndrome. Here is the scoop. 18 to 35% people, about 1 in 3, sneeze when exposed to sudden bright light, like sun or even a flash camera. It's actually a genetic quirk. It's automatic dominant compelling heliophlegmatic outburst, ACHOO for short. What's happening is a bit like a brain glitch. Bright light stimulates your optic nerve, which accidentally can trigger the nearby trigeminal nerve, responsible for sneezing. Crossed wires in your face. And yes, it's autosomal dominant. If one parent has it, you have 50% of a chance to have it too. It's basically a genetic party trick passed down generations. In a genome-wide study of over 3,400 Chinese participants, researchers confirmed that this reflex affects around 26% of people, and they pinpoint the specific genetic markers that increase or decrease your sneezing odds. Next time someone sneezes stepping into the sun, just say, must be your ACHOO kicking in. Drop a comment if sun or flash makes you sneeze. Stay bright, stay weird.